Welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. If you are seeing me for the first time, I talk about everything that related to farming, and some things that you can do in order to be successful and make money from farm. We discovered that recently the cost of investing in farm has skyrocketed. The cost of fertilizer, the cost of chemical has skyrocketed compared to last year, and even the cost of seed that you wanted to plant. So in this video, I wanted to talk about some of the crops you can do, 5 crops that you can plant that is on a low budget, that you will not spend too much on it, and you also make your money. The number one on the list is plantain. Of course, plantain is one of the most lucrative crop because plantain products can be used for flour, which is elubo, which is very good in nutrition, and also you can make money from two parts of plantain. The first one is from the fruit, and the second one is from the sucker. Of course, making money from the fruit, you discover that one bunch of plantain right now in the market costs not less than 2,000 naira, and for every sucker you are going to sell, depending on who you are selling it to and the location, of course you are going to make money from it. So investing in plantain is very lucrative, and it does not require any form of fertilizer. The number two on the list is pineapple. Pineapple is one of underrated crop because people don't really put mind in it, because it's I would say it's because of the duration at which it fruits. But pineapple, investing in pineapple is very lucrative because it also, like plantain, it also gives you two yield. One from the fruit and the second one from the sucker. The downside to both plantain and pineapple is that they take like nothing less than 12 to 18 months to fruit, to start giving you yield. That is just the downside of it. But if you are patient enough, I'm so sure that you are going to make your money from it and you will not regret investing in it. Number three on the list is cassava. Cassava, of course, right now the price of cassava has skyrocketed times 3 of its price compared to last year. Right now the price of cassava range from 130,000 to 150,000 for 1 ton. So you discover that going into cassava farming is very lucrative right now. Gone are these days when cassava is not much lucrative. Look at the price of garri, price of fufu right now is very cost. So now going into cassava right now is very lucrative because cassava is one of the crops that does not require fertilizer. All you need is just the stem, and like other 2 crops that I have mentioned before, cassava too gives you return from the fruit, which is the tuber, and from the stem. Of course, you can sell after selling the tuber, you also sell the stem for anyone that is interested in going into planting cassava. So cassava has different varieties that you can plant. Some range from 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, 1.5 years. So depending on the variety, but I would suggest you buy the ones that will be less than a year, 9 months and 1 year. That one will give you a lot of yield, and if you can get a very good variety that is around 6 to 9 months, it's still good because that will make your yield and make your return to be fast. Number fourth, the fourth one on the list, number 4 on the list is cowpea. Cowpea beans. Cowpea is one of the most lucrative business right now. The cost of farming right now, farming cowpea is cheap compared to other crops like maize. Cowpea takes only 3 months. Less than 3 months you harvest your crop. The advantage of cowpea is that it's a leguminous crop that fix nitrogen into the soil and does not require much fertilizer. Cowpea utilizes SSP. The cost of SSP in the market is still low compared to other NPK or urea. Cowpea in less than 3 months, you discover that you harvest your cowpea and you make money from it. The downside to it is that you need an expert in this area to give you more explanation on how you can go about it in order to run at loss, because cowpea has a period at which you can plant it. Planting cowpea during the rainy season might not be okay, because during the time it will be flowering, it does not require too much of rain to bring flowering. So that's why planting of cowpea requires a period where you plant and you need to study the weather very well. So it requires an expert in that, an expert in planting cowpea. That's just the downside to it. The number 5 on the list and the final one is watermelon. Watermelon, of course, is believed that it's only planted in the northern part of the country. No, it's not. Watermelon can be planted in any part of the country. It has been tested that it can be planted in any part of the country. And watermelon is one of the crops that people don't really put mind in, because it's not a common crop. The cost of planting watermelon is low because it requires no or little fertilizer, and within 45 to 60 days you are already cashing out. So investing in watermelon is very, very lucrative, because after 60 days you are already cashing out. But the downside to it is also it requires an expert to give you more explanation on how you can go about it and your location. You need to study the weather very well before you invest in it. So if this video is helpful, please like this video and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel till I come your way in my next video. See you.